Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ekene Michael. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add money to your Facebook ad account, and it's seamlessly that easy to do that. So just stick with me to the end of this video so that by the end of this video you can be able to add money to your Facebook ad account and start running ad effortlessly, as easy as ABCD. So just stick around with me. Let's go. So guys, what are the requirements for you to start running ad or for you to start adding money to your Facebook ad account? The requirement for this is you need to make sure you have a valid credit card. That means a credit card that have not yet expired, and you need to make sure that it has enough funds that you want to add in your Facebook ad account. So with having that, make sure you have enough funds. Make sure you have a valid credit card and you're good to go. So let's just head on with the video now so you can see how it's done. So what you need to do now is to make sure you have an internet connection. So let's head on now and open our Facebook app or Facebook anywhere you have it, both on mobile, both on PC, both on whatever it is. If this is the same method to add money to your Facebook ad account. So we go on and open our Facebook now. And another thing again is that for us to add money to our Facebook ad account, we must make sure that our profile is on professional mode. The most easiest way to find out if you're having a professional mode turned on is to head to your profile. You can see where it says professional dashboard. That means my profile is on professional mode. But one of the easiest way to confirm is just to look at your followers. Where it says followers, likes, you can see where it says 13 likes and 13k likes and 13k followers. That specifically means that my page is on professional mode. So if your page is not on professional mode, you might see something like friends, or you might see something like following, something like that. But I'm having my own turned on and it's on professional mode. So what else we need to do now to add money to our Facebook now is to locate our setting. So when our setting open now, you can scroll down. You can see where it says add payments. This is where you can get to add your money. So when you see add payment, what you need to do now is to click it. It's particularly the same thing with mobile phone. If you use any mobile phone, you can particularly see that this method is exact same method to use. So once you click it, your billing and payment method will load. So now you can see we are having zero fund. I'm having 0.00 naira. This is because I'm in Nigeria. Any country you are, you'll be having your currency right there. So I'm having 0.00 naira here now. So for us to add money, because Nigerians CBN restriction has restricted it that you cannot just add our card like that, because if you are in US or other countries, you can just put your card there, they'll be debiting you automatically. But as for Nigerians, this is the only way to add money to our Facebook. So what we need to do now is to go to where it says add funds. Look at it right here now. Add funds. You click it. So once you have clicked it, your screen will load something like this. For the sake of this video, let me just add something like 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira. So that's what I'm going to add now. Let me click. Once you finish adding your money right here now, you see I've added 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira. What you need to do now, you can see where it says debit or credit card. Due to us being Nigerians, we can't use that. So what we need to do now is to use our local payment method. This is Naira payment with MasterCard. Then we will click it. So now, as the thing is loading now, it has loaded. So what we need to do now is to click on where it says open Naira payment with MasterCard stroke Visa card. So we can go ahead and open the Naira payment with MasterCard. It will redirect you to your web browser. You can just click on continue, as simple as that. Continue. So once you have clicked continue, you can now have this list. This is a various card method that Facebook do accept. So they accept MasterCard and they also accept a Visa card. So if you're having your MasterCard or your Visa card, you can just go ahead and input your details. So guys, it's very secure. Input your details right here, and when you are done with that, now I'm inputting my own detail. When you are done with that, now you can go ahead and click pay 1,500 naira. So once you have clicked pay, you will see it will redirect you again to another site, to direct you to your bank site, to be sure that it's you that is authenticating the transaction. For them doing that is to keep your account and my account safe to use, and this is one of the safest method to do that. Once you have redirected to your account, now you can see I have been redirected to my own bank site. So they're asking me keep your account safe. We're almost done. To protect your purchase, Kuda MFB is asking to authenticate this purchase. Please select a method below. So before that, there used to be an email and a text, but I don't know why it's only showing this. So mind you, your own might also show like this. So what you just need to do, so far you are sure that this is your card that you are putting here. So what you just need to do is to click continue. Go ahead and click continue. So when you have clicked continue, make sure you have the mobile phone that you are using with that bank, like the mobile phone that have the SIM card of that bank, something like that, or the mobile phone or the mobile card that you use to register that bank, because without it we can't authenticate this transaction. So see now, that sent me an OTP, that's one-time password. This is the password that you can use to pay on Facebook, and it changes every 2 minutes, so you need to be quick about it. So once they sent you the OTP, they have sent me the OTP now. So let me go ahead and input it. So once you have finished inputting it, what you just need to do now is to click pay. As simple as ABC. See now, our screen is loading. Let's see if our transaction is successful or if our purchase is successful. Look at it. Your transaction was successful. So once your transaction is successful, you will see the good sign saying that your transaction has been successful, and we see funds added. 1,500 naira has been successfully added. So let us confirm that this money really entered our ad account. So what we need to do now is to click on done. You can see as quick as possible. This is very easy, guys. So if you enjoy this video and you want to learn a lot more than this, can kindly give me a thumbs up, smash that YouTube subscribe button, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. If you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section. I will reply you guys. Thank you, and also see you in my next video.